One of the highlights of Dino Snores is the opportunity for children to unroll their sleeping bags and spend the night under the watchful gaze of the museum's dinosaur skeletons, including the blue whale skeleton or the ferocious Tyrannosaurus Rex. It's an unforgettable experience that combines adventure with learning, allowing children to immerse themselves in the world of natural history in a fun and interactive way. In addition to the night's activities, Dino Snores participants also enjoy a tasty dinner, snacks, and breakfast the following morning, making it a fully catered experience. The event is supervised by experienced museum staff, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for all. It's not exclusively for children. They offer a version for adults as well, a delightful surprise.